Welcome to ECNTRADE Daily Video. Before we begin, it should be noted that any advice is of a general nature only and that your personal circumstances have not been taken into consideration.
Hello everyone, my name is Rob Clayton and thank you for joining me. Well, overnight the Australian dollar sank further and posted a low briefly at 64.01 before rebounding. Now I still feel at this stage the support is holding somewhere around 64.20 and therefore could see the current challenge to the upside foul. Due to the rebound, the MACD and the RSI is still negative, so I do expect to see further tests down and then eventually take on the challenge into the region of 63 cents, where the 60-day moving average holds at the moment, roughly around 25 to 35. The euro posted a fresh low overnight, but didn't sustain close to the 107.55 level, rebounding off the lows of 107.76. Here's the fact is there's still further evidence to support the bear case, but still continue to adjust your stop loss and take profit according to your risk management in the event of a sudden reversal from this base, as we have seen it on a few times. The dollar yen is a little bit mixed around 107, but still holds a bearish sentiment, and I do believe the market will eventually take on the challenge to 106.50 and lower to the objective of 105. Any advances should struggle towards 107.65 with a cap at 108.15.25. The pound reaches its target of 121.60.80 overnight after posting a low of 121.65. This has now left me neutral and therefore in the short term would rather sit out and see how the market plays, because although there is a trend in the RSI and the MACD is bearish, we could see another rejection due to this dragonfly doji in front of the level 121.60. But a break beneath 121.60 would open the way to 120, maybe down to 119. It's a bit of a tough call, but now it's reached my objective since the fall from 124. I'm happy to take profit here and reassess. Well, after the recent bullish sentiment from dollar CAD with oil rallying, the market thought twice about taking the challenge above 141 and has dropped back and looking now towards the downside, I believe, of the 138.5 region. It would seem that President Trump has upset the market again by a TV interview and stating that the deal between the US and China is a great deal. However, I say this doesn't feel the same to him anymore, and now actually says he's a little bit displeased to extend to President Xi, with whom the US president said and repeatedly has said he has got a good relationship with him, but still says mixed words in his TV presentation. Therefore, some safe haven demand came back into the market and now put the focus back on 1,748.52 since it's remained above the level 1,690. Let's see if the market can get to the top side, but I would like to state that the trend is still very weak here and the market is getting quite close to a possible bull case, but the whipsaw price action can still come back again, as we've seen recently up at this top side of the range. So keep your stop losses and take profit accordingly to your risk management. With the dip being shallow in oil, the market has staged a significant rally and now getting closer to the objective of $31 a barrel. It was seen with the ADX trending and the rest of the indicators all supporting the bull case. Then the market should eventually reach its target, and the base now seen at $24 a barrel. Well, that wraps it for today. Thank you very much for joining me. But please look out for the intraday report, and I hope you enjoy the great start to this wonderful day and the weekend.